Today's Race Day Replay is brought to you by TCI, 50 years of drivetrain excellence.
On the tree, runs out the back door, so Gage Birch wins bracket 2. He's headed to the Aerospace Components Winners Circle. That means we have one race remaining.
We build, drive, and define high-performance drivetrain. Real-world testing, real-world results, and a race-winning track record. Dependable is our DNA. Innovating is our passion. On the street, down the track, and across the finish line.